Hi, children. A very good morning to you all. Children, I hope you all are doing good and safe there. All of you open your book A, that is lesson number 1, that is my body. Today we'll do the revision of our first lesson, that is my body. Okay, children? Let us open page 11. We can see there some important points. First point is our body can be divided into three parts. How many parts, children? Three parts. Our body can be divided into main three parts. What are they? They are head, trunk, and limbs. Our body can be divided into three parts. What are they? They are head, trunk, and limbs. Coming to next point. What is that? About the neck. The neck connects the head and the trunk. Which is connected to the head and trunk? Which part? The neck. The neck connects the head and the trunk. Okay. Next, the chest and the abdomen are the two main parts of the trunk. What are the two main parts of the trunk, children? Chest and the abdomen. Chest and abdomen are the two main parts of the trunk. Okay. Coming to fourth point, what is that? About the two arms and the two legs. The two arms and the two legs are known as limbs. What are known as limbs? Two arms and two legs are known as limbs. Okay. Coming to fifth point, which is about shoulder. The shoulder connects the arm to the trunk. How? The shoulder connects the arm to the trunk. Which is connected to the arm to the trunk? The shoulder part. Okay. Coming to the sixth point about the thigh. The thigh connects the leg to the trunk. From where to where it is connected? It connects the leg to the trunk. Which is connected? The thigh. Okay. Coming to seventh point, that is about our sense organs. What are sense organs? Eyes, ears, nose, tongue, and skin are known as sense organs of our body. What are known as sense organs of our body, children? What are they? They are eyes, your ears, nose, your tongue, and your skin. These all are known as sense organs of our body. Okay. And the last point is growing up. That is, we grow from a small baby to a toddler. After that, then a child. From a toddler to a child. Okay. A baby to a toddler, then a child, then we turn into a teenager. From teenager we become an adult. After a certain period we become old. After certain period we can become a old. From baby to toddler, toddler to child, child to teenager, teenager to adult. After a certain period we become old. Okay. These are the some important points we learned. Next we come to glossary. Children, in this glossary we'll read only two important glossaries. What is that? That is abdomen and diet. What is abdomen? Abdomen is, that is the belly. Children, the belly is known as abdomen. That is your stomach. We'll say stomach. Mana stomach ni belly anochu. Okay. Abdomen. Abdomen is the belly. Next, what is diet? Diet will maintain, right? The particular food we'll drink, the particular food we eat, the juice we maintain, what we healthy food we maintain, right? That all come under diet. The regular food and drink of a person. What is diet, children? The regular food and a drink of a person. It is known as diet. Okay. These two are important in this lesson. Okay. Read these two. Just read these two. Okay. Abdomen and diet. Next, we'll see detail about all. First, about sense organs. What is the first one is? That is eyes. We can see the beautiful world around us with our eyes. Next, ears. We can hear different sound with our ears, like music, like that. Okay. About nose. We can identify nice smell or odor with our nose. Yeah, you can smell nice smell with our nose, right? Yes or no? Yes. Next, coming to tongue. It is also a sense organ. We can feel different tastes like sour, salty, bitter, and sweet with our tongue. Okay. Next, parts of the trunk and limb. What are parts of the trunk and limb, children? The limbs. What are limbs? The two arms and two legs in our body are called limbs. What are limbs? Two arms and two legs are called limbs. In the previous points we learned, right? And which is connected to the arms to the trunk, children? The shoulder. Shoulder is connected to the arms to the trunk. Okay. Next, each arm has an elbow, wrist, and hand, that is fingers. Okay. Next, the fingers are called thumb, index finger, middle finger, ring finger, and little finger. We have 5 fingers, right? These are known as first, that is thumb finger. We have index finger, middle finger, ring finger, and little finger. We use our hand to write, hold, lift, and play, like that. Okay. Next, each leg has a thigh. This is thigh part. Okay. Each leg has a thigh, a knee, ankle, foot. Okay. What is the thigh is the topmost part of our leg. Which is the topmost part of our leg? Thigh. Thigh is the topmost part of our leg. The place where the thigh and the lower leg meet is known as knee. Where the thigh and lower leg meet is known as thigh. Okay, this part. Okay. This is the parts of the trunk and limbs. Coming to the head part. Parts of the head. What is the head? Is the topmost and the most important part of the body. Yes or no? Yes, it is the topmost important part of the body. It is covered with hair, and the face is the most unique part of the body. Before the hairline, what is that? At the front of the face, it is your forehead. What is that? Front of, before the hairline, it is, what is that? That is forehead. After that, forehead, the thick lines of hair above the eyes are called eyebrows. The face also has eyes, ears, lips, neck, teeth, tongue, chin. Okay. Below the head is neck. Below the head, what is that? It is neck. Below the head, it is neck. Okay. It connects the head to the trunk. This is the parts of the head. Next, main parts of the body. What are the main parts of the body? We have a wonderful body, and our body can be divided into 3 main parts. In the previous point, we recap that points, right? In that what we have learned, our body can be divided into 3 parts. What are that? Head, trunk, and limbs. Head, trunk, and limbs. Okay. These are the main parts of the body, and we'll see about the growing up. What is that, children? Growing up. We grow from a small baby to a toddler. From a small baby, we become a toddler. After a toddler, then a child. child to, then we turn into a teenager. Here you can see the picture of a teenager. After that, we become an adult. Adult too, after a certain period, we become old. Okay, from baby to toddler, toddler to child, child to teenager, teenager to adult, adult to old. This is about growing up. Children, revise this all and read these points. Okay, today you write parts of the trunk and limbs. Write only one time. Okay, that is about shoulder, 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 elbow, elbow, wrist, wrist, fingers, fingers, arm. Here it is chest part, that is chest, chest. Abdomen, abdomen, it is also known as the belly. Okay, thigh, thigh, knee, knee, ankle, ankle, foot, toes, toes, and from thigh to toes we call it legs, and the spelling of leg is leg, leg. Write each one 3 times, children. How many are there from shoulder to 1? Shoulder, elbow, wrist, fingers, arm. Up to shoulder, elbow, wrist, arms, chest, abdomen, thigh, knee, ankle, foot, leg, etc. This all you write for 3 times. These are the keywords today. You learn this all. Okay. Thank you. We'll meet in the next class.